Alright, I wanted to do a quick update on all of my stuff that I've done today. So I repotted these lavenders into 4-inch. I repotted this amaranth that I should just really put in the ground. I repotted one more tamarind. And then in here I finally have stuff coming up now that I moved it out of the sun. I got some peas, I think, and then there's some alyssum gold dust, some oleander, some echinacea, and then this one I just planted today. And we got Shasta daisy, more echinacea, foxglove, maybe some roses, some kind of lilies, Japanese maples, more river tamarind, some more kind of lily, some more lavender, and then some chives and some garlic chives in there. And then I got these oleanders from a friend because they're moving and they just don't have room for it. But they've been overwatered, so some of them are dead, but a lot of them are going to be okay. They just need to not be watered for a while. And I think that's all I did. Oh, no. I also did I repotted all my cyclamen into 4-inch. And these were all seeds that I grew in August, but they didn't start coming up until I started paying attention to them, and then, of course. So, but I think that's it. But anyway, this is my greenhouse setup. I still need to put a back wall on, which I had the plastic for, but my dog decided to pee on it, so I threw that away. Oh wait, I do have the back door. So he peed on the front door then. So I still gotta make some kind of door on it, but I added an extra shelf on the top of each of these. So I'm happy with it. I wish it was bigger, but oh well. Anyway, that's all my updates. Oh, I did plant some. I think it's the Diamond Mountain Euphorbia. So I got one there, and then I got one over there. Don't look at that celosia, though. It's sad. But I think that's it this time. Alright. Thanks for watching. This is a quick little update.